Morning, children. Welcome to the Value Education class. Now, today, once again, I'm here with a very wonderful story. The name of the story is The Lion and the Cows. Let us listen to the story. Children, story is not something which is only simply read out and just forget about it. No, stories are the real life experience. Whether it has been spoken about the animals or whether it is spoken about the friends, human beings, story, yes, definitely is a reality of the life and it gives us a wonderful message. Let me start with this story, children. Now, as you can see in the picture, once upon a time there lived four cows in the forest. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. In one place, every day they used to go, and they were all friends, children. But one day a lion saw the cows grazing together. As you can see in the first picture, they are grazing every day, they used to go together. Okay, children, they were best friends. And one day it so happened that the cows saw them together grazing. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. With whom? The lion. Whom? The cows. They all fought. He wanted to eat one, but they all came together and they fought with the lion. The lion had to run away. Now, a few days passed and quarreled. The cow quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. They had some quarrel with maybe some issue they had. So what happened? Like as usually, the first earlier what they used to do, they used to go together. But because of some misunderstanding, I must say, yes, it happens between our friends also, children, with the elders also, with the youngsters also, children. It happens. But at times, such situation, children, what you should do, you should try to ignore and forget the misunderstanding. And don't forget the good things and the good deeds being done by the friends. Just because of just one mistake, we should never break the friendship. Okay, that actually when we do such thing with the friends, like, oh, you have done so and so thing, now I'm not going to talk to you. But what about the rest of the moments and the wonderful moments and the help which you have shared between amongst yourself? So immediately you get forget everything about it. This is not true, children. Yes, we should not forget the good times which you have spent with your friends, children, just because of one mistake being committed either by you or by your friend. Because last time I also had told you the story about the two friends. Do you remember, children? Yes. So please, in case if you quarrel also, if you have a misunderstanding, just cool down, just relax, think over it, what went wrong, and then try to solve it. See, every problem has a solution, isn't it, children? Yes. So, the story, such a wonderful story it is. See, and then what happens at the end? Let us listen now. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves, and they see earlier they used to be together. So, if one used to be in danger, all the four used to come together. Right, children? So, but this time what happened? They were grazing on the ground separately. Grazing करना मतलब घास खाना ground में. So one by one, the lion, now see, the lion was very clever and cunning. He just took advantage of this situation. He came to know from the distance that yes, all the three earlier they used to eat together, but now they are eating separately. So this is the best time that I should take the opportunity and should have a nice food. So one by one, 4 days, consecutively in 4 days, he killed all the four cows. All the four cows were killed. So what is the moral of the story is that unity is strength, and if you try to break the unity, this is what going to happen. Same is the case with our country, the mother India. The mother India says that please be united, do not fight among yourself, and this is what the Britishers have done with India. They took this divide and rule policy, children. This is how they have done. In Hindi में कहावत है ना, घर का भेदी लंका ढाई. This is what happens in India. So instead of progress, we have been behind all these 70 years. ओके, सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी पीपल आर सेल्फिश, हम सब अपने लिए ही सोचते हैं. नो बडी थिंग्स अबाउट द कंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. हर समय ये सोचना, डोंट से दैट वॉट कंट्री हैज़ गिवन मी. यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक एंड से दैट वॉट यू हैव गिवन फॉर द कंट्री. अरे हमारे मिनिस्टर ने तो ये नहीं किया, इसने तो ये नहीं किया. अरे बट फर्स्ट लुक टू योर सेल्फ, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, वॉट यू हैव डन. वी हैव नथिंग कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू अ कंट्री. Pollution, who has done? We have done. Okay, who has made this city dirty? Who has done that? We have done. But हमने क्या किया उसको क्लीन करने के लिए? Nothing we have done. We always blame. We only play the blame game. This is the Indian citizens are expert in that. Yes, beta. Now this is the time that we should stop all these things, and we should always keep our country in the first place and be united. As the moral of the story says that unity is strength. If you want to make your friends friendship should have a strong bond, and your country should be it should be prosperous, and it should be strong enough. So that is only going to happen if we trust one another, if we don't fight and quarrel, live peacefully, and yes, for the cause of the country. And please, selfishness अपने को छोड़ना पड़ेगा बेटा. सब अपने लिए इंडिविजुअली जो हम लोग सोचते हैं वो हमें छोड़ के हमको सबके बारे में सोचना है. वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एवरीबडी, बिकॉज यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. यस, आई होप यू मस्ट हैव लव्ड दिस स्टोरी बेटा. And please try to implement what you learn in value education. Thank you, children. God bless you.